Rest now, King. You've done enough for today. The weight you carried was real. The decisions you made mattered. The protection you gave did not go unseen. But tonight, you are not required to hold the world together. Loosen your jaw. Drop your shoulders. Let the breath fall all the way down. You are allowed to be still without explanation. You are allowed to rest without guilt. A king does not lose power in rest. He restores it. As you lie here, let Yahawashi cover you with peace, not the kind you have to earn. The kind that arrives because you are already worthy. Your mind can quiet now. Your body knows what to do. Your spirit is safe to soften. Nothing is chasing you. Nothing is being taken from you. Tomorrow will wait. Rest now, King. The crown can rest beside you. You may rise again with the sun. But for now, sleep, King.